DJI has surprised us again after the launch of the Mavic Air 3 drone, and this time with the Osmo Action 4 camera that's announced to be launched on the 2nd of August. That is like 1-2 days away from now. I'm really excited about this camera after using the Action 3 for almost 10 months now, and I really loved it and all its user experience. I hope that all this get into Action 4 and better. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the things that I like and enjoyed about Action 3 and why I'm so excited for Action 4. So let's get on to it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alan Gadgets. I have been using both the Action 3 and the GoPro Hero 11 for almost 10 months since the beginning of their launch. DJI surprised us last year with the same day launch as the GoPro Hero, and this year they gave us another surprise by launching the new Action 4 1 month ahead of anybody's expectation. I've been using GoPro Hero since 5 to the recent 11, but I've only used the DJI Action 3, the one and only action camera from DJI that I ever used. But with this one camera, it makes me fall in love with the user experience and the innovation that the DJI have on the action camera that is only their 3rd version. Don't get me wrong on GoPro Hero 11, in my opinion, it's still the best in the whole Hero series. As a matter of fact, it's the best action camera ever, period. In terms of the video quality, the color profile, and the speed of the processor and all that, is still the best in the market. Action 3 came close to Hero 11, but not in the video quality department or the hardware sensor that they're using, but more on the user experience that I think is a very user-friendly and capable camera on its own. So personally, if I were to do some quality video or even star labs, I would reach for my GoPro Hero 11, no question asked. But if I just want to record my activity like climbing, hiking or cycling, I just want the ease of use, I'm not so concerned about the colors and the quality, I would just go for the Action 3. So I always imagine that if I could get all the good things about the GoPro Hero 11 and the DJI Action 3 and merge them into one action camera, it would be the best perfect action camera that anyone would ever hope for. So let's go into the list of the things that I really enjoy and love about Action 3 that I hope that it would get into Action 4 and even be upgraded to an even better version. The first thing I really loved about the DJI action camera ecosystem is the magnetic quick release. The second thing that I like about the ecosystem is the battery charger. This is the battery charger that GoPro should have long time ago. So besides charging the battery, it's also able to show you the battery level of each individual battery. Just pop the cover and it will show you the charger, so you can pick the one with the full charge and just put it out. Or if you want to have a quick glance without opening the cover just to check on the battery level, all you need to do is just press on the button on the front. This has been a long-term issue, especially for myself, using the GoPro Hero when you are using external mic. There is no other way to use external mic since I think Hero 5, you need to have an adapter or casing called the media mop. So with this media mop, there is a built-in external mic, or you can plug in a 3.5mm mic to that media mop. But for DJI Action 3, they totally unlock the USB-C. You can use any aftermarket, any third-party USB-C mic, and the best I recommend is if you want to go for wireless, you could use the DJI mic that works perfectly and seamlessly with the camera. Both cameras has a front-facing screen, but the one on the Action 3 is also a touchscreen. This feature that I really like about is most of the time you only use one of the screen. Either you are looking at the back screen while shooting something, or you're using the front screen doing vlogging. By unlocking the screen that you want to use, the other one will be automatically locked and turned off. Your battery can last longer without having to power both screens at the same time unnecessarily. This is one of my most favorite features. You can zoom in while doing recording. In the middle of recording, there's no way you can change the magnification on the GoPro Hero, but on the Action 3, you can dial in the zoom on the fly while doing recording. There's a little feature introduced to the Action 3 camera while browsing through your list of thumbnails or files in your camera. At one glance, you're able to see what mode you have taken this file or video in and what is the format, whether it's a photo in 4:3 or whether it's a video in 4K 60 frames. So it's a very handy information at a glance without going through every file individually. Both cameras can be used as a webcam. For DJI Action 3, there's nothing to be installed, no utility, no drivers. You just plug in and it will be recognized by Zoom or other apps as an external webcam. But for GoPro, you need to first install the web utility application on the computer before the GoPro camera can be recognized as a webcam. The last thing I want to mention is a feature that found both on the apps connected to the respective cameras. You can use the camera as external screen to preview what your camera is showing and then also to trigger the button for recording. The current app on the GoPro Hero does not show the preview after you start recording. But for the DJI Action 3, they could somehow easily let you do a few things like zooming in and out from the preview and also watching the preview as it's being recorded. So that's the whole list of things that I really enjoy about the Action 3 that I hope to see on the Action 4, or maybe the improved version of those lists. Or even GoPro can take some inspiration from this list and incorporate into the GoPro Hero 12 maybe. Either way, we will get a near perfect action camera that anyone would hope to get. So on the 2nd of August, 9 AM American time and 9 PM Singapore time, there will be an review announcement video from the DJI on the Action 4 camera. So like I said, I'm really excited and looking forward to it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and find it interesting. If it does, please click on the like button and share. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!